Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to do some paint pouring on a 11 by 14 canvas. So this one was previously used by a student and it's been sitting around, so I'm trying to use up some of those for fun experiments. And today I kind of randomly selected, without any forethought, some paint that I had. So it's a mixture. I've got Amsterdam Cyan, the Simply Acrylic medium yellow, Master's Touch Acrylic ocean green, Brilliant Blue by Simply Acrylic, and I'm missing one. Hold on one sec. The Arteza Phthalo Blue, and then I had some of this mixed up. It is the Amsterdam Acrylic White, but it is the Pearl White. So I don't ever use this in my bloom technique, but I like to use it sometimes when I'm going for a different effect in just the regular acrylic pouring. So here we go. I've got them all mixed up and ready to go. So it's 11 by 14, so I did the math. I'm going to need about 6 ounces of paint. So what do I start with? I'm going to start with the phthalo blue. All right, just gonna pour it in here until the cup is full. This cup is a 5-ounce cup. So if you fill it up to the top, you get about 6 ounces. Plus I'm going to put some paint down on the canvas. So I don't know if you guys ever watch TikTok, but I was watching TikTok the other day. And I saw a lady, and of course it's like fast forward, but she was pouring paint and she spun the spinner while she was pouring the paint. So spinning like that. And then she tilted it off. But so I'm going to do the spinning it while I'm pouring it, but I'm going to then spin it out. So it just looked like fun. So I'm like, hey, I haven't done it that way. So just layering the paint in random colors. I did put all 3 of the blues right next to each other right here, just because I wanted to. Yeah, I have 3 kind of blues, so obviously it's going to be blue heavy, but we should get some purples and oranges too with the yellow and the red. All right, that is completely full. So I'm going to set that aside while I get these out of the way. Pouring down some white. All right, I am going to spin this kind of gently while I pour it. Oh wait, I'm gonna get these. The thing is, when you start to spin stuff, that stuff goes everywhere. So get your stuff that you want to stay clean out of the way. Okay. Glad I did that, or I'd be cleaning up messes. And really, I just want to paint. I don't want to clean up the messes. Okay. Uh-oh. It did not stay on. Well, that don't happen. Let's see if it's going to spin. Okay, I am making a mess. It's like I forgot how to do this. Okay. There we go. That's what I meant to do. All right. Let's just continue spinning it. Okay. Oops. Yeah, the center of gravity is not working for me on this one. Usually it stays right in place. Loving all the cell action happening there though. And I did not use any silicone. I really do not like silicone. I don't like the mess it makes. I don't like how it pits sometimes. I don't like how it dries. I don't like anything about it. So, I know a lot of people make some gorgeous art with it, but I just don't. That's not my thing. Okay. We're almost there. Sure, I'm making this look easy, aren't I? All right, I'm going to help this off on this side. Maybe. You know, I thought I could use this 11 by 14 on this 12-inch thing without putting cardboard down, but actually I think in retrospect I should have put some cardboard down. So that it like was more balanced. Yeah, the reason I didn't go ahead and just tilt it off was because I didn't want to lose this round effect that I have going on here. Loving that. Wow, this is fun. I cannot believe all the cells in this. It's crazy. It's been a long time since I did something with a whole crazy bunch of cells that it's different than the bloom technique, which has lacing and cells, but it's different than this. This is fun. How did I forget that this is so fun? you get doing one thing and or several things, because I'm doing a lot of resin too. So just to kind of balance between just acrylic pours and bloom and resin. All right, guys, almost. See this tiny bit of corner right there? All right, I think we are done. I am just going to pick up a little bit of this paint. There we go. All right, it's looking good. I will bring you in for a close-up. Trying to decide which way is up. All right, let's come in for a close-up. There's a lot going on here. Be right back. All right, this was incredible fun. So it is very wet. So I'm just gonna bring you in for some close-ups, see what's going on. Here is the lower right-hand corner. Lots of ribbons and cells. Complete mixture of color. This is the upper right-hand corner. Over to the upper left-hand corner. Look at all that. I love how the colors weave in and out. Lower left-hand corner. And then here's the center. The thing about this white is, yeah, it gives a completely different effect. The titanium white is crisp. When you use it in like this, in a pour like this, it keeps the colors crisper. It doesn't react as much with the cells with the other colors. So that was the Amsterdam, not the titanium white, the other one. Why can I not remember? Hold on. Oh yeah, pearl white. The pearl white. All right, guys, there it is. So much fun. All right, so if you give me a minute, we will come back and I will show you it dried. All right, here are the dried results for this one. I really like this one. I'm not sure if the light is doing this one justice, but I don't know. It kind of looks like going underwater, like sea life or something. I don't know. Let me get you some close-ups. So here is the right, lower right to the upper right. Upper left. There's so many cells, and so the color is just kind of like a rainbow. Down to the lower left. I'm loving that pearl white, how it worked with the colors. Once this gets varnished, it's going to be absolutely poppin'. So much happening. Well, thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.